Alright, so if you want to record your gameplay or apps on BlueStacks, yeah, there's a built-in screen recorder that makes it super easy. Let's go step by step. First, open BlueStacks and launch the game or app you want to record. Now look at the side toolbar and click the screen recorder icon. Choose your recording settings like video quality and audio input. Now click the record button, and everything on your screen will start recording. Just play your game or use the app normally while it records in the background. When you're done, click stop to end the recording. Now go to the media folder or recording manager to find your saved video. You can export the recording to your PC and edit or share it anywhere. And yeah, it's how you record screen in BlueStacks. Perfect for gameplay videos, tutorials, or content creation.